So as you know, Minister Hall said that she is returning to the dance hall for win some souls using gospel reggae. Well, Vegas has said him not buy that none at all because that nah go happen. You can't come in a dance hall using gospel for win no souls, is what Vegas said. Because the Bible itself tell you, say, in order for you come on to God, God have to call you. Vegas says so, not me. Actually, I know Vegas says so neither. Him quote a scripture. Yeah. And Vegas already have a whole lot of fun reading the comments of people bashing him when time when time Lady SAW left the dance hall and went to God. People did a bash him when him say, yo, you hear me? The throne is still here for the queen, which is Lady SAW. And him say, hope she realize and come back for her throne. And a whole heap of people bash Vegas in the comment section and deal with him wicked. Well, now, Vegas a laugh and I say, uno see it, uno supposed to shame now. Well, people, make we go here or go on, yes, sir, with Vegas. Because, boy, me I tell you, Vegas a sample. Make we listen.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, now we are trained.
Beauty of dancehall, you can choose what you want to listen to. You see me I say, you can enjoy the type of music where you want because we're diverse. You have Capleton over there sing for the Rastaman them. You have Sizzla sing for the Rastaman them. You have Berissa sing for the big people them, same way. And young people too. You have Christopher Martin over there sing some nice music. You have Romain Virgo over there sing some nice music. Then you have Shensia, she has sing some sexy something. And you have, yes, so I say, so we are a diverse organization. Or group of people, or whatever you want to call it. Our genre. I just we that different elements. Everybody can get a little piece of the pudding. Everybody can live. That is the beauty of dancehall. So when we hear Lady SAW accost the music and I say she used to work with the devil and them thing there and all of them things, I truly was like, yo, I reach out to her off the ear, send a message to a mutual friend and I say, yo, I need to talk to sister because enough things with them teach we a lie. And there is nothing that no God say. So we can't do nice, positive, clean music. And she have some nice music. But she can still come sing because she have a lot of fans. You see? We never mean no ill will against her or towards her. Because he's a fan too. So I remember I put up a picture. And story come to bump. And some people need to look in at themselves. Because no one when they're on social media, when they get carried away. I want to not even realize who are the real people in Boya. So, I put up a picture of people. I don't know if you remember that post here. See that post here? Watch that post here. I met that post here, right? They matter about dancehall queen and who a queen and who a queen. And you don't know, say, nobody no go around Lady SAW in a dancehall as female. Lady SAW in a class hall with the man them if you talk about the real cornerstone for dancehall. You understand that? Nobody not go around our people. You see? And the queen not dead. So we understand people go through them things and then people want to do different things in their life. We understand that, but we say, yo, round here so is a blessed place too. Round here so no curse round here so. Round here so a nice, decent place too. We have decent people around here. We have people around here when I deal with drugs. We have people around here when I deal in all kind of sodomy. We have people around here where I live good and clean and decent around here. We have decent fans around here too. We want to hear decent, good music too. Like Tony Rebel music, them's fresh vegetable. And a gospel that love you like a fresh vegetable. A gospel that, man. So I put up the post and I say, yo, the queen's chair is vacant. I hope one day she will wake up to the truth and claim back her crown. And that alone, me say, no, people. People, listen what me say. What me say? Me say the queen's chair is vacant. I hope one day she will wake up to the truth and claim back her crown. That's it. Go, me don't know if you can see. A two little line, people. Two little line. Me don't know if you can see people. 2 lily line. When you say you can see, when you can see, man. When you can go look for it, man. See there? See there? 2 lily line. You see? Once more I want to see them 2 lily line. 2 lily line people. You can't see, man. Cheese and peace. You can't see it over there. So then see it over here. So I don't know if you can see. Anyway. I just say that people because he's a fan. I mean I love to see the queen return to her throne. Because nobody not take that throne there. We have other great artists. Great female artists. But when you talk about somebody where it's like the Dancehall Hall of Fame. You can't have some people in the Dancehall Hall of Fame and you know have ladies in the Dancehall Hall of Fame. Nothing wrong with that. Her work. She do the work. She put in the work, people. When she come in a dancehall change from using the female them to be early warm up. From using the female them to have the little female segment before the man them come dominate. Lady G them and Sister Charmaine them and all of them people there. Them used to work before the man them. Ladies are come boy come close shows. Have our own tour. She do the work. So she in the Dancehall Hall of Fame. I never say nothing wrong. What made it say wrong? But of course, you know them have to run in. Because now them see meat to tear up. So, of course, you know, say, me and them not really good. We don't have no luck. Them are fighting themselves because me don't know them and them know me. So me don't really know them people. But me I'm going to show you how vicious we are as a people. And no found the most shame now. This is the queen returns. When the most shame. Whether she want to come back and come do gospel or she want to come back and come be whatever she says she want to come be or do, it's dancer she come back to. We can't pussyfoot around that. We could have tried sugarcoat and this and that and whatever we do now. It's dancer she come back to. Nobody can come to dance and come win no souls. The Bible says anybody if he come to God, him have to draw them to him. It's in your Bible. Stop make people take on for idiot. The Bible says only God himself can draw you unto him. Nobody can save no soul boy or win no souls boy. Not no go so. I teach you foolishness, people. I make you think that we can win somebody's soul. Then if you are win soul and the devil are win soul, then we work on people's soul. You're not supposed to work on nobody's soul. You can't let your light shine on people say you live good and them want to live decent and good too, but at the end of the day, I feel them choice. So we can contrary to the very thing what we believe in. God said, him have to draw you unto him first. Before me even read the comment, let me find it for you because I don't read Bible. But when me read it, I say, oh, me not believe in it and me I read it. Then me not have to read it too, I not read it. Because I not act accordingly. I not act accordingly. But and then I not go tell me say, I know that it mean. It's like when you want me understand Hebrew. I don't want me understand different translation. Other version of them give it, King James Version. And it's written in English. English are the language where them teach me. I don't know no other language, people. So why don't want me go looking at Hebrew to find out where them did say. Not this God said them to give it. If God never want we get an English Bible, he wouldn't give you an English Bible. If God never want King James give you a version, God wouldn't make King James give you a version. And God did that make the slave master them take away in our land where them talk Hebrew. He make according to what I believe, he make the slave master them and according to say God make all things happen. Then God make the slave master them take we in a place where them teach we English and take away African tongue. Our tongues. So not even him never want to learn the Bible in African tongues or African dialect. I English him want you learn it, you know. So no tell me about say me not understand it. Because when me go sit an exam, me can study what the teacher give me. But me I say, something else it mean. When me see the test. Yeah man, you don't know the teacher say, yeah man. Yeah, -5 and -9. Yeah man. That hour. +14. No man, negative and negative. No man, what that? No man, that what that? I'm gonna write something else on the paper. No wrong, me get it wrong, man. It go wrong. So when the teacher give me for study, that me study and go sit the exam. That's why it says study to show yourself approved. I don't mean say so. So it's a John 6, verse 44. It says, no one can come to me unless the Father who sent me draws them. And I will raise them up at the last day. And I mean say so. So nobody boy will tell about them I go win souls. Nobody not go win no souls, people. You can't win no souls, boy. God have to draw you. How God draw you? You see no card tied to you from heaven? You see no card tied to you? Then the most within you got there. If you might go draw you, then your conscience and your consciousness. You don't see no string tied to nobody from up in heaven. So if God tell us, no one can come to him. He said, no one can come to me unless the Father who sent me draws them. So even Jesus himself tell us, yo, nobody can come to me just so you know. God have to call them. So if God want Shensia, God not go call her himself. If God want Jada Kingdom, he not go call her himself. If God want me back, he not go call me himself. So nobody can come to the dance hall come win no souls. So anybody that tell about them come back in a dance hall, or if mama say she'll come back in a dance hall to win souls, she's acting contrary to the gospel. I mean, I love me and her sit down and really read the gospel so she can understand it. But this is not about her because our sister and we love her. Our sister she go through what? You know whatever she go through. But when we want to point out are the people them, all the people them vicious and all them venomous. No, I just say the queen's chair is vacant. I hope one day she will wake up to the truth and claim back her crown. No here. People, me don't know home is still there. If he just said that, me say, me don't know home is still there. Me supposed to immune to whatever them a dash, or whatever them a wish. Me feel like me immune people. Me have a level of JC. She is not missing anything. She is exactly where she ought to be. Let me read that again. JC. She is not missing anything. She's exactly where she ought to be. Me I wonder if me ever one day walk and all JC just see me on the road and just say, yo, Mr. Vegas, you know, so me did burn you out one time and you know, so me want to apologize to you still cause burn a fire upon you, but you know, said the minister returned to the dance hall, so me never did really see that one day in the, you know, in the crystal ball still. Respectful E? Why the lady must left church, come back in a dance hall? I need a sip. That if you show some libation at the ground for your ancestors, the ancestors do not drink here. Drink to back Lucille. Drink Lucille. Drink to backside ancestors. Drink. No one read about it again. Do I want to see that person in a picture? Play to God, that woman that don't want to sit in luck. And she's a Jamaican economist. And she's a forex trader. A top people, somebody we bright too, somebody we bright and go to school, they look like. Vegas. No, when I don't miss it. Listen, look how it class me. Look how the person class me. Vegas, she disrespectful, as she call me, Because all me said, me hope one day she da wake up to the truth and come back and claim my crowd. As she, this body call me, He said, Vegas, she named Regina Monzi. Somebody must know her. She said, somebody don't know. Me pray that somebody knew Regina Monzi. Monzy. And just say, look how you did that. Look how you class up Vegas. I swear to God, this is a good life. Rian Nareen. She did wake up to the truth though. That's why she is where she is now. Jojo Choi. I'm totally convinced that Vegas is crazy. Rika World. Accompany him a look. I rebuke you. Tammy Chin, not Wayne Marshall wife. Vegas ungodly. That's why he mad. That statement, ignore the clown. I made you answer, sorry. That's why he made that statement. Ignore the clown. Dera Day or D-Ray Day. Who sent you Vegas? The devil? Pendy's Caribbean Cuisine. This is actually a restaurant. Somebody rated. I want top restaurant to people who get the restaurant up and blast. Promotion for the restaurant. Pendy's Caribbean Cuisine. Somebody must know them popular. So there are people. Pendy's Caribbean Cuisine. You don't like me, I tell all food place at Disney, And me, a man gonna buy another restaurant already, Here the food place. Here the food place, though, people. Which part of them base? Nottingham. Nottingham. England, rated. They know something gonna buy from a restaurant already. Here the food place now. The devil is a liar. Letter B. Me never know say a restaurant cost me. No, people. Me need some farmer deliverance people. Hey, when a restaurant cost you, you well costing up. No, people. No, me shame bad people. Somebody come take the phone. Somebody come here. No, people. You know, say when a restaurant cost you, you curse, Me say, it's a restaurant that cost me, Restaurant where I share people food and I'm supposed to share people food and love, It's a restaurant cost me, people. Me mama, people. A restaurant cost me. Just because me say me hope one day the woman return. Jesus and peace. I just a little hope. Me did have enough people. Me never seen of. Me is not a reader, man. Me is not a obia, man. It's just a fan. We respect the artist. And me I say, me keep tribute. And the people that daily kill me when I keep tribute to ladies. You remember me keep tribute to ladies people. And me are the only one that love and respect her out of everybody, And me are the only one that have bad fear, Me keep her tribute and say, no, we can't kill her. I want to kill. Then I'm near the reader, man. Then I'm want to give money. Because I say, no, that spirit I can't dead. Me I keep tribute. You remember? When me dress up in a nice suit and put on pretty clothes and say tribute. Because we have to honor the queen. I sound a memory shot, man. Archie want me do it, me couldn't know and give me the little props. Give me little props, man. Give me some props, man. Give me some sit. Give me some props, man. Give me sit, man. Give me sit, man. Give me sitting. Give me sit. Me want sit. Give me sit, man. Give me sitting. Even one little lighter. You like a lighter, one little fire sitting. Give me sitting, man. Then I me keep tribute and say, no can't kill the queen. We don't forget. Anyway, the queen there right now and I watch is the queen a dead laugh and a drop a grung and a roll a grung and a say him no easy, you know. Cause the queen knows some love her. The queen knows some love her. Leave Marian out of this Vegas. Must be the devil. Disrespectful. Vegas think like don't at me. No good in a for him life. And maybe God them want to say. Vegas think like don't at me. What? Me stink. No. Me look good. Charlene. Vegas think like don't at me. What don't at me? What is don't at me? No, that one are wicked no people. Mary born next 5 of them people. Can about enough, you know? Over 2,000 or over near 2,000 people. Then beat me clothes off of me people. Then they kill me. Jewels Delilah. What a pretty name. Jewels Delilah. You what Jewels Delilah say? God soon strike him. No, that one they hurtful. Me not laugh people. No, that one the wicked people. No. Talk it truth people. No. Me deserve that people. Even if you don't like me or you don't rate me or something. Talk it truth, man. Me deserve that. That person said, God soon strike me. Because me say me want the queen return. One of them people that wake up and looking at the mirror. Or if they sleep at night. Or if them have conscience. Or if them have family. Or if them have brother and sister and then something they do. And it might look like it's petty for me to be reading these things. But me just sum up black people in a nutshell. I just sum up black people in a nutshell too, you know. Why we so violent, why we so evil, why we so wicked against each other. That's something simple. Me say we can manifest, you know. Me say one day me hope that she wake up to the reality and the truth and come claim back her crown. Now she can't come back in a dancehall and come claim her crown because what? God are going to send you in a dancehall to pop down? If God send you back in a dancehall, you're going to end up being the hottest thing in a dancehall. God not going to make you come in a dancehall and look like an idiot. God are going to put song in your mouth. God are going to make you have the biggest song them. God are going to make you powerful. God are going to make you a big song play all over the radio. So God not going to send you in the back in a dancehall if you come pop down, you know. So that means that you must claim back your crown. Me not say nothing wrong, people. If God send you on a mission, you know, God a put all of the armor with you and everything, you know. So you know, say a beer hit song a fly off a tongue, boy, you know. Beer hit song a fly, boy, you know. Select up, you go pull up all them the song the 50, 100 times, you know, people. Because God send her upon the mission. So she must claim back her crown because in a dancer, in case you don't never remember, the hottest artist, whether you're a Christian, Muslim, sinner, anything you want to be, the hottest artist wears the crown. Are the most impactful, are the most popular, or whatever. So if she come back right now in a dancehall, God go give her a song. Because God now go just send her back in a dancehall to come turn up and look. Where she go to play a sound? And this is who know me attack to know, you know, who know people who did a burn me out, you know, who know me attack to know if you know, just in case you don't come across this. Just in case you don't come across this. God now go send her back in a dancehall come pop down if a God really send her. You know, so she go come boy, you can find some big song like Jerusalem, Jerusalem. That play in a dancehall, you know. You know, so that play in a dancehall. She go come find one song bigger than I Am Blessed. Then a God send her. So God have to give her the equipment them. Because you can't come and pop down and get the attention of nobody. As a dancer stay, if you don't have nothing current, people don't look for you. And worse than me when I have nothing really current and you know, say nothing not going for me. So if you come in a dance and you know, come find two big songs, you know, so them are going to say you pop down. So God not going to make she come pop down, so she must claim back the crown. Whether she want it, yes or no. People are going to say it. And the people, them words, really hold the power when you check it out, when you talk about whosoever wearing the crown. So the next sister, the next sister will get a number one what day. She go come fly around that. She go 1+. She go 1 and 1 and 1 and 1. You say, yo, you know, see the queen get a next number 1 and a next number. I gotta work. So one of the things say, I something wrong, me say. And I'm nothing wrong, me say. I manifest now, I make you no look like poop. When me say just manifest. Not much. I want to read this again. Jewels, Delilah. God soon strike him. Marian Hall is anointed to do more than skin out in dancehall for money and fame. Lady SAW will forever be queen of dancehall, but Marian Hall is getting a bigger blessing. I never tell her if you come skin out, lady. I never say that. If you watch my videos, them all of them, I say no, she can come sing nice, clean dancehall music. No, she says she going to do gospel reggae, that's dancehall gospel. We don't have a genre named dancehall gospel. We don't have a genre name, so. Maybe she could create it, but we don't have a genre named dancehall gospel. Unless we have one we don't know about. Is reggae is the genre, you know, so we have dancehall, you know, so them say come out of reggae. But we don't have dancehall gospel. We have gospel, and we have dancehall, and we have reggae. So we don't have dancehall gospel. So why God go strike me? Where God did that strike me for? So let's say Delilah, let's say God did listen to you. Let's say you, right? Let's say you are the God. Because you said God soon strike me. Let's say you are the God and you did strike me. If it says just 2 sentences. Just say you are the God. Since you said God soon strike me. So I something where you'd love to see happen. Right? And to you, someone might think this petty, you know. But that's just the way how we are. We that kill a man for the simplest thing. We that wish death upon people for the simplest thing. Just say you are God. And you did strike me. For say what me say. And now the sister really come back in a dance hall. How you da feel? How you da feel if you know say you did strike me? And then the sister, will you strike me for what me say? Come do what me say. Or come do what me hope for. How you da feel? I mean know say other people share similar thinking. Just the way we are. C.F. Daniel. How much must I married? 6 more? 4 more to go. C.F. Daniel. The woman is happy. Why you want her to come back where she is, where she never comfortable? The woman is happy. Why you want her to come back where she never comfortable? The shop, there's some shop across me people, the shop me chick mobile store. Leave the woman alone in Jesus' name. I send it back to the pit of hell. You're playing with God. What? Oh, God. Dodi. Why at Mr. Vegas lick a bit and torment? So why? Imagine the lady put aside certain things and live her best life. And this uncertain man had tried torment her to leave torment her. Do leave Minister Marian Hall out of this, please. Mitch Will, what do Mr. Vegas? Him, the lady, is a Christian now. May I read what I see people, so forgive me. What do Mr. Vegas? Him? Oh, okay. Let me understand it now. In an punctuation, so just understand me. What do Mr. Vegas? Him. The lady is a Christian now. Something you know nothing about. Leave her be. She nah go turn back like you. Tommy, nobody now come sin with you, Vegas. Make the lady live for our God and make who want fight for crown, fight for crown. Cause it sits somewhere up high and nobody no seems like them are going to reach it. Tommy, I chose shade and about me out. Woman, what in the blasphemy is this? Really, Vegas, get thee hence, Satan. My God. One more. King Russ. A batty boy style you always a come with, nigga. You need to grow up now, fool. Damn. What? 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 Ew. Alipu, shithead Mr. Vegas, we go on like you want to play church. Go one side and leave the woman, devil. Damn. Last one. Jedi music. It's a somebody we must see in a music. Jedi music. The lady is past all of this and has done everything she wanted. Allow her to live her good Christian life. And let her dancehall life remain behind her. She'll always be a queen, of course. But she won't be coming back for none of this. She been there, done that. I think this is a good one to end it here. This person got shit on his face. This person got shit on his face. This one can end right here. Me no need to read another one. I guess we don't get the understanding. So me read it again. Jedi music. You got shit on your face. The lady is past all of this and has done everything she wanted. Allow her to live her good Christian life. And let her dance hall life remain behind her. She'll always be a queen, of course. But she won't be coming back for none of this. She been there, done that. No. That one I catch my eye, sorry. Dan Girl exclusive. I will put them in the people, but watch I want you. Dan Girl exclusive. Leave the lady, make she stay on the right path. What does dancehall have to offer but hate, grudge, and competition? Vegas, you're never a Christian. Why you want the lady to backslide like you? Try go look company elsewhere. Damn. Ew. Damn. Leave the lady, make her stay on the right path. What does dance hall have to offer but hate, grudge, and competition? Vegas, you are never Christian. You're never a Christian. Why you want the lady to backslide like you? Try go look company elsewhere. At the end of the day, people, I'm just glad to see me alive to see it. I just feel a joy. So I live to see it. I just feel good for know so I live to see. All I know. Whether that tear me down. Just have shit on the face now. And whether I want to try pretty it up and boots it up now, if you say, yeah man, go back out defend your thing, go back in. How you mean you can't go in there go sing good music, you can't go in there you can't go in there go work for God, you can't go in there go this, you can't go in there go that. No matter how you try pretty it up, fact still remains say you have shit on your face. And the fact still remains say you don't love jump on wagon. And the fact still remains say you don't love truth. And the fact still remains say you just there for tear down. That's the problem. Because you are going now. Not for you glad when you see a sister step down from her highness. Because you feel like this one can relate to a sister. So when the sister powerful and make her money and live her best life and all of them things, some of you don't love see it, you know. Because you see one when she used to come on the internet come cry about the things them will affect her. You see one used to tear her down. You see one used to tell her to come off of the internet. You see one used to burn her out. And enough of you see one right now burn her out. Because within you does not love see people are strive, people are. So I say people are live them best life. We don't just feel like we have to tear down each other. So because we never get the opportunity in our life to accomplish what some people accomplish, you don't just feel like, you know, in a chance you don't get enough, you just take it for. So I'm not really happy when I did happy. Say the sister leave dancehall, you know, and find God, you know. Because if everybody have to leave them profession to find God, that means none of we boy are not go have nothing. None of we boy are not go have no jobs. None of we boy are not go have no career. None of we boy are not go have nothing. If all of we just leave what we are do to find God. So I'm not really glad, only the glad said the sister I serve God, you know. Only the glad said the sister no longer the dominant force. Because at this one can relate to her. That's right. One of those things I wish she did there, she never deserve it. Not for one. So unless she step down, you don't feel good. Because a long time when I say she don't deserve it. A long time when I say, yo, you don't like how she this and you don't like how she that and you don't like how she brawling and you don't like this and you don't like that. Not for one. So you see she basically now walk away, leave everything, and come now and sing say she soon alright and she soon get some money and she soon get a car and she soon get all them things. I'm not glad for them things there, but me never want to see them things there. Because I know say she are one of the powerhouse in a dancehall. You see what I say? I know that. Long time. So that means at the end of the day, I don't look like idiot. So all I want to do is say I'm the idiot. I don't look like idiot now. Because she come tell you now. Say she return to dancehall. Come sing dancehall gospel. Not the name dancehall gospel people. She come sing dancehall. Not in the name dancehall gospel. It's not a genre. A dancehall. Is either you sing gospel or you sing dancehall. A dancehall it name. Or rather reggae. So he doesn't listen. The teaching and say, yo, and every wagon on the jump on, man. It's not every wagon on the jump on. And every time when I see, you come like hyena. When you come like hyena, it's like when you use the brain cells them. When you just see, you know, the hyena tear up something when you just run into. That's how hyena work, you know, them just run in. Like them see all one hyena catch a gazelle. And the whole of them just, and then just run in and start tear it to pieces. And just start tear it to pieces. So somehow you come like, when you just see, you know, some people just start tearing a Vegas flesh. And when you just run, come tear into. When you just run, come tear. Everybody grab piece, everybody grab piece. Everybody a try put out them biggest insult. Everybody a try put out them biggest disrespect. And me not even know, and me have to go look to find them something I even know, you know. So that for sure, you say, even the venom will not throw out. When you just throw it out in an open space because I'm go dig to even find this. I do it on purpose because I know say that's how I stay. Because I not even if me go read it. But I just so stay. As black people. That's why we can't have no love, we can't have no unity. I want to think say just the youth them where walk and kill people. Somehow no vicious. When somebody ever said them God soon strike me. Just we say something will actually come happen. Then that me not think it get deeper than that. For sure who we are as a people. For sure how evil we are as a people. And then we point on the white man and say the white man evil. But imagine somebody want God strike me just because of a desire. Just because we observe something and wish for it. And it can happen. And somebody actually want God to strike me. Then how different are you from the man where walk and shoot people? Then when a youth walk and when a man go kill some innocent people in our house, you know, see one up on the internet and say, oh, them wicked man and go in there and then kill the people. But you just a pray, how you just a put it out there, say, God soon strike me. And me no know you. Me you never meet yet, me you never have a conversation yet, me never tell you say I ready yet. Me no know you, so me innocent. Just like a youth where they get, well, a man that break in somebody's house and go kill the innocent people, they will not even know him. You're not better than that person there. You're not less evil than that person there. We need a reset as black people. You know if you agree with what me wish for, you know if you agree with what me say, but it now if it got to the point where all of them verbiage there are pass around constantly. Me no rape nobody, boy. Me no kill nobody, boy. Me no get no trouble with police, boy. Me not even smoke. When you see me with a spliff, you know, I show off, you know. I try to look tough, you know. Because I know say it go drag on attention. I PR. Me not smoke. Me not even smoke. Me I drink one sorrel beer. You know why me I drink this? Because I only got 3% alcohol night. Me no get no trouble, boy. The most you can say about me, oh, them usher him out of church. Why am I going to the church? The people them invite me to come have a public discourse. Me go in there, I say, yo, me not even go disrespect the people, them religion, even though me know, say, 90% of what them teach we are foolishness. Me decide, say, me not go in there, go disrespect them faith. And the people, them disrespect me, we're going there, to say, yo, ladies, you can't make people call you a prostitute because you wear like makeup and like lipstick. And I'm me, you ridicule. And hate me for that. If you go in there, if you say, don't make nobody tell us you're a whore for wear like a lipstick and like a makeup. That's it. Me never do nothing. Me never go in there go kick over the chair. Me never go in there go kick over the offering plate. Me never go in there go try fight the pastor. I want to watch the same video where everybody watch the man I walk and I spit up na my neck back and everything. And order security to drag me out of place. And I me want to chastise. Then how we are going to be better as a people? What would it be, or what would you say, if me go in there with a big long gun, after them do me that, just come back with a big long gun and shoot up the whole church? What did I did say? Yo, the man shoot all the innocent pitney them in the church star. The boy a devil, the boy wicked. What did I did say? Me a go about my business in my yard. And me see a confrontation. And me a try calm down the confrontation. Me see a security woman like she ought to shoot the man when me know. So me know the man. And the man know me. When the whole thing go on, me just a make the man know say, and me not try send me name in the video to promote myself. It's just like me bridge in a fight. And me want to calm him down, but him don't know who I hold on upon him. So me basically I said to the bridge and say, bro, a Vegas attack to you, if you calm him down, for him know say, me not really against him. Me just want him calm down and look like him get himself in a problem now, because me think say the youth dead. Because me I tell him to calm down from early out. Me not try to do that to get promotion. Me couldn't go look promotion after somebody get shot. Me just a make the brother know say, a me man, a me where you know. That make me feel dead. Then how we are going to be better as a people? When I man no come boy I come break no law. Me no come boy I come kill nobody. Me no come boy I come sell drugs. Me no come boy I come thief. Me no give no trouble boy a people. Means a decent you to take care of me youth. Then the most thing you can say, oh, him come for internet come ball over a woman. Then that me be dead for that. So what happened to the man who cut off the woman head when they catch her a cheat? I catch him a cheat. What happened to that? What happened to the man who kill Captain Barkey and kill himself? Wouldn't that prefer that? That would be better. And someone come like as that one they did want, because it's like say una taunt me, it's like una want me snap, it's like una want me get depressed. I have to stand strong in it. From the star, all of the flaggers, the star them, the idiot them, everybody, then just like them that just want to say, yo, you know do the right thing, you know, just go get a gun and go kill her. Because then the story will continue. And the vloggers them will get more likes. Or the man go shoot her and kill her star. Yo, I idiot that, a girl idiot that. Yo, me not kill no girl star. You don't prefer that. So you just see a wagon and just want to jump on the wagon. Oh, me not like Vegas, you know. Me not like, why? Why? Oh, because them usher him out of the church. Did you know that I went in there to say that you should not be called a prostitute for wearing makeup? Did you know that? Oh, Me not like him because he want lady say I come out of the church. Did you know that she came out the church? And is now going into... No, she not come out of the church. Let me fix that. Do you know that she's now going in back? She's going back into the dance hall? The same thing what me did I say? Did you know that? So we can move that off of the table now? We can take that off of the table now, right? And we start love each other. Me could take that off of the table now. Since that was the problem when me and you have then. Me could move that off of the table now because now she's back in the dance hall. Which other problem you have? What's the other problem? Him kill nobody? Him rape nobody? What else? Him beat up the police? What else? What else? Him ball over a woman? Me nah ball over a woman again if no woman left me. So me could move that off the table too. Could move that off the table. What else? Maybe there's something else with me, you don't know. Maybe there's something else. Maybe when you just feel like say me not deserve what I have. Maybe when you just feel like say me is a you too clean. Maybe when you just feel like say me is a youth when I go out there and kick down people and box down people and stab up people and police will catch me with gun. Maybe that's that problem. Me can't fix that though because me not stay so. My mother grew me, she not grow me so. My whole lady not grow me so. So when I go get that part there. So if that cause a problem, well we are going to forever have a problem. So with that said, looking on yourself, man. And every wagon boy you want to jump on people. Because more time when you jump up and defend some people. And it's just like you say, a man and a woman having them dispute. And when you run go start take side, start call the woman dog shit or start call the man dog head. And then when lo and behold the man and the woman get back together, I want to have shit on the face. Stop jumping on every little wagon on us, man. Uno just want to see the majority go towards something. I want to just jump on. I not even know where the train go. I want to just jump on. You that train full of people. I don't know where it's going, but I just jump on. And then you end up with shit on your face. And many want to have no shame. So when you come now, I try twist on them out now. I go on like it is okay. Oh, me not see nothing wrong with it if she return to dancehall. But then you did that burn me out and say, God fi strike me. When me did that say, me hope one day she come to the reality and return to dancehall. Whatever reality, she must have a reason why she return back to dancehall. I'm not against her to do that. I'm not against her to do that. Did you know that? Prodigal son, when him left church and come to dance, I me tell him to go back to church. I say, prodigal, what you do over here, so? No food no over here, so for you. I say, go on back to church, brethren, that's where your stronghold be. You not go bust in a dance hall. Ask him. I say, go on back in a church, be. I have nothing against somebody who do them church thing. But we have a problem with somebody who did in a dance hall where was the most one of the most dominant force in a dance hall. Suddenly, I tell we say, a devil them used to work for. And a devil music and all of them something there. And a devil playground and them something there. Roadness and a devil playground. Nobody around here work for no devil. Just like how people in the church not perfect. Yeah, people in the dance hall when not perfect too. So anybody feel like them go just run left dance hall and then look round back and talk all kind of bad things about the same thing, the very thing we put a roof over my head. Me think so me have a say. And all who feel like say it is a problem if me say something, well, kick rocks. Because the music you feed my mother. The music you make me youth them can get good education. The music you make me take plane and travel the world. Me never dream of going someplace. The music you make me can wake up and get me own bed for sleeping. Me used to sleep on people's floor and then wake up and keep devotion. Me have to get up 4 o'clock in the morning or 4:30. So anybody feel like say them are going to come in a dance hall and then when you find whosoever you find or you find a better place, you're going to look around back on the music and say, yo, that music there, a devil thing and all them something there. Me not going to talk. Me going to say something. Me just feel like me to say something. Just like when me say something about church when you burn me out. What the difference? If me say something about Jesus, if me say something about the church, when you burn me out. But I know you build church, I know you build Christianity. I know you own Jesus. So why when me say something about church, Christianity, religion, them something there, you choose to address me, but when somebody says something about dancehall will feed me can't address it. Keep it light on, Max. Why? Why? Then nobody say nothing when nobody say nothing bad about Jesus in our church. But you feel like say your faith, your denomination, your congregation, your Jesus, your church, you feel like say it's a decent, blessed, holy place. And if I say something and it offends you, you have all right to burn me out. You know must understand what me I say. But if you feel like I'm being disrespectful to what you believe in, I don't have no problem with you burn me out. Talk as much as you want to talk. Me never come tell you say no burn me out. Burn all the fire you want burn for me. Me know my truth. Me know my research. Me know what me know. So if you feel like say, me a defend dancehall because dancehall feed me is a wrong thing, well, kick rocks. Because me never ever disrespect the music here. Never. That is like Bob Marley turned Christian and a burn out reggae. When the whole world grew accustomed to reggae music through Bob Marley. That wouldn't make no sense. When Bob Marley inspired millions around the world to keep festivals to feed millions of people. When Bob Marley inspire millions around the world for jump in a reggae music and then go in a reggae music, make people live from it and survive from it and band members eat food and everybody eat. So if Bob Marley did say, before, let's say Bob Marley gets sick and decides say, yo, you know, me a born reggae, devil music me used to do, you know. Then where would One Love be? Where would I Shot the Sheriff? Where would Three Little Birds be? Millions of people around the world that inspired. And still inspiring. To this day. And every wagon on if you jump on pan, man. Sometimes some train I go to the wrong place. Sometimes some wagon I go to damnation people. We have to do better as a people. Is we can't expect better from the youth them. We can't expect better from society. We can't expect better when of them energy that we are transfer among ourselves. Some are too vicious. That's why some of people come turn gunman. Because of the way you think. The simplest of things you want somebody dead feet. So you call down blood, you call down God for crucify, you call down God for strike. That's why when the son go on the road, go strike. For anybody will talk nothing about him. That's why when the son go around the road, go kill 5. Because him here, so the man them diss him. It's not even you me did I talk to. But you don't want to wish death for me. I mean, if I not talk to you, then what if I you me did I talk to? You'd have send your son come kill me. How your bad brother? Ain't it so? Then that to no do. Anybody send out the bow, no send out no bad people and go kill them. And think say we are going to go anywhere as a people. Out of here.
Well, you don't know already, when the video that long, me no bother elaborate too much. Me just say thank you so much for watching. It has been a pleasure. Done me done, gone me gone. But before me leave, if this is your first time here and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button and turn on all notifications. So once we upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't let nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable and I'm out.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.